Are you playing with your cards? Finn is now 17 months and he loves playing with his cards. See how he very methodically lines them all up. And he's very serious when he's playing with his cards. Very excited, aren't you, about playing with your cards? That one goes in there, does it?
Yeah.
Where's this last one going to go? What's the card say? What's the card say, Finn?
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Hey, what's the moo cow say?
Moo.
What does the horsey say? What does pussycat say?
Meow.
Meow. What does tiger say? What does tiger say? What does the bass sheep say? Do you know what the bass sheep says?
Papa.
Papa. And what does the car say?
Beep.
And what does the horsey say? And what's the moo cow say?
Moo.
Moo. What do you do now? You play with your cars?
Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba. Yay!
Yay!
Hi, baby. Yeah. Ba, 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 dee. Ba, dee, dee. Wee, 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 wee.
Okay, I'm going to leave you now. Can you say bye-bye? Bye. Say bye, Mummy. No, he's getting confused. He says, you're not going anywhere. Hey, Finn. Say bye-bye.
Bye,